Hello students, today we will start translators programs. As you know that translators are used to translate a program in one language to another language and to execute the program. So let's proceed. As you know that a computer can understand only machine language. We all know that computer only understands machine language. So the program written in any other language have to be converted in machine language. Whatever the instructions we are giving to the computer in a program, it has to be converted into machine language so that the computer can understand your code. The translator programs are used to convert high level language programs into low level language programs. We are giving, as you know that we are giving the instructions or data in high level language, and it has to convert it into low level language. Then the computer can understand your code. A program written in high level language is called the source program. Whatever the instructions or whatever the data we are providing in computer as a program, that is known as a source program. Okay, we are giving a source program or a source code to the computer. Whereas the program converted into machine language by the translator program is called the object program, and the program was converted into machine language by some translators, that is known as object program or object code. So here is the diagram of source code. This is a data or instructions whatever you are giving as a program, that is a source code, high level language. Then translator, it translates our high level program code into machine language program code, that is a object code or a object program. So there are three types of translators program. First is assembler. What assemblers do? An assembler is a program that is used to convert mnemonic codes into their machine language equivalents. What is mnemonic codes? You know that mnemonic codes are assembly language program. So we can say that assembler is a program that is used to convert assembly language program code into machine language equivalents. Understood? Interpreter. What interpreters do? An interpreter translates a program written in high level language into low level language program line by line. What interpreters do? Interpreter translates our program whatever we had given the instructions, that is in high level language. So the program was in high level. Interpreter translates high level program code into low level program. Low level means assembly language program or machine language. It converted into high level language into machine language line by line. Whatever the program you had written, interpreter translates line by line. Interpreter interprets the program line by line, executes an instruction, and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. Then it executes all the instructions line by line, and then the procedure of the remaining instructions repeats. If any error are found, when it executes, it will check. If any error is found, then they are to be removed immediately. So they have to be removed immediately by the user, as the converted form is not stored anywhere. The program, whatever it is converted, if it is not stored anywhere, so it has to be generated at the time of execution of the program. When the program will be executed, it has to be generated at that time. The interpreters are preferred by beginners as they are slow in the execution speed. Who uses the interpreter translator? The beginner of the program who is learning to program coding, who is learning basic program coding, they uses interpreter. So the beginners of the programmers uses this interpreter so that they can learn how it executes line by line. Next is compiler. A compiler is a translator program which is used to convert a high level language program into machine language. So it is also a translator which convert high level language program into machine language just like interpreter, but it has a little bit difference. It translates whole program at once. It was translating line by line and it translates whole program at once. It generates the object code of the program along with the list of errors, and it generated our object code when the error list was found. The execution speed of a compiler is faster as compared to interpreter because it translates whole program at once. That's why its execution speed is much faster than interpreter. So these are all the translators which are used to translate one program into another level program. These are some recaps which we had know about it. The process of writing programs in a computer language is known as programming. Machine language is expressed in binary form 0 and 1s. 0 means off state, 1 means on state. This is the definition also. Assembly language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. Third generation languages are simple, user friendly, machine independent. Fourth generation languages are similar to high human languages. So these are all recaps which you have to study it. So thank you class. This is all about in this class. In next we will do exercises and question answers.